Hey you guys, I hope you're doing well. So today is Sunday and we are back for the second week of the CVS sales ad. And I also heard there's a ton of clearance deals going on this week. So we're going to go over the new deals and the clearance at the beginning of the video and then the repeat deals towards the end of the video. And I really think that we're going to be able to pick up a decent amount of clearance items today. So I'm really excited. Fingers crossed that my store has everything in stock that I've seen pictures of that people are finding on clearance at CVS. And I'm going to show you guys what everything is ringing up for at my store at the Redbox machine. Before we get into the video, I want to share with you guys some new jewelry that I got from Shop LC. I just got my first order in the mail from them, so I want to do an unboxing. So Shop LC is a jewelry and accessory brand that sells high quality and affordable jewelry. Their jewelry does have real gemstones, including diamonds, colored gemstones, and moissanite, and then a bunch of their pieces use real gold and 925 silver base metals. They did give me a coupon code to share with you guys, so you can use code SAVE26 and it'll give you 26% off of your order. And they have the Purchase Feeds initiative where every single order goes to feeding one hungry child. Now getting into the unboxing, I got 5 different pieces or jewelry sets. First up, I got some diamond earrings. These are lab-grown diamond earrings and the base metal is silver. And these were only $99 on the Shop LC site. These are probably my favorite thing that I got. I'm putting these in right away because I really want to wear them out couponing today. Next, I got another pair of earrings, but these ones are actually hoops. These are so beautiful. They are white topaz gemstones and it's 14 karat yellow gold over sterling silver. These ones retail for $39 and then you'd save an additional 26% like I mentioned using that code SAVE26. Then I got another gold piece. This is 14 karat yellow gold over sterling silver and it's a curved necklace, super dainty and pretty. This one retails for only $49.99. I also got this beautiful paperclip bracelet that's 18 karat yellow gold over bronze. This one retails for only $29.99 on their site regular price. And then finally, I got a little set that'd be perfect for a festival. There's a bunch of them coming up here in Texas, so I'm excited to wear these. First, a beautiful cuff bracelet. Depending on your wrist size, it can fit as an arm cuff or a bracelet. And it comes with the matching cute pendant earrings and the matching necklace. This whole set was $29.99 regular price. I'm really excited about all my pieces. Let me know if you check out Shop LC using the link in the description box and the pinned comment and you use that code SAVE26 to save 26% on your order. Let me know what you find on the site for the different metals and gemstones that you prefer. And if you pick up anything, let me know. So with all that being said, let's get into the deals this week. Okay, first, the most important clearance stuff that you're looking for this week is in the paper products aisle. My store was completely wiped and my store is not heavily couponed at, so I'm not sure why they didn't have anything. It may have already been sent back, sold out, marked on clearance early. Included in the paper products clearance sale of what you're looking for is the Scott 6 equals 12 paper towels. I know those are marked as cheap as $3.75, as well as the Viva 3 equals 9 paper towels. And we have some Total Home products. So we have the 6 equals 24 toilet paper. This one, the 6 equals 12 Total Home paper towels, the 3 equals 6 Bounty paper towels, and the Charmin flushable wipes. So check your store, look for all those different items, just scan at the Redbox machine and see what you can find. And if you are able to find anything, let me know in the comment section down below what your store had. Shout out to Crazy Deals and Steals and Couponing with Lexa for sharing these visuals. The Venus and Gillette disposables are $6.99 and buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck this week. So you can grab 1 men's and 1 women's, and those 2 would total you $13.98. And we do have 2 separate Coupon24 app coupons for $3 off. First for the women's, and we also have a $3 off for the men's. So using those, you'd pay $7.98, earn back your $4 extra buck, making your final cost $3.98 for 2 packs of razors or $1.99 each. Another razor deal that you can do is on Skintimate. You can do the deal for 2 for $14 for the disposables and also pick up one of the mini shave cream at $3.19. So these 3 items would total you $17.19 and you can use a 4 off 16 Skintimate CRT and a 5 off 2 digital for the disposable razors. And you'd be left to pay just $8.19 for all 3 items. The saltine crackers are on sale for $3.99 each this week, so you can grab 2 of them totaling $7.98 and you'd pay that. And then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each box, getting $2 back from there. And you can submit your receipt to saltinesoffer.com for a $5 Visa gift card rebate back when you buy 2 boxes. So after both of those rebates, it'll make your final cost 98 cents for 2 boxes or 49 cents each. The Airwick starter kit is $16.49 at my store, and we do have a $5 digital coupon. So you'd pay $11.49, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $5 back. So after coupon and rebate, it would make your final cost $6.49. The starter kit of the Venus Intimate Razor is $5.67 on clearance, and we have a $3 coupon 24 app coupon, making it just $2.67. Or you can also use that coupon on the 6 count of the refills at $5.87, making it just $2.87. Now the 4 count of the refills is just $4.62, and it's attaching to a $5 coupon 24 coupon. So after that adjusts down, it'll make it completely free. The CVS brand Twin Pivot Plus refills is just $3.37 on clearance, down from $13. At my store, this big Nivea Men Pump Body Wash is $7.34 on clearance, and we have a $2 digital coupon, making it just $5.34. Shea Moisture is also on clearance, like this massage oil at $7.24 that we have a $3 digital coupon for, making it just $4.24. And we also have a deal on the body scrub. It's $7.34, and we have a $5 digital coupon, making it just $2.34. This Dove body wash is on clearance for $6.89, so you could grab 2 and use this 5 off 2 digital coupon, making 2 of them $8.78. If your store still has the Secret Clinical on clearance for $4.99, you can grab 2 totaling $9.98 and use a 7 off 2 digital coupon, making 2 of them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. There are different color stripes that are also on clearance, like the purple one at my store, the lavender is $6.24. So scan the different colors at your store. I know the unscented is also on clearance, and check your store's prices. This Degree Whole Body Deodorant is ringing up for $5.93 on clearance, and we do have a $3 digital, making it $2.93. And we also have a $3.50 fetch rebate as well, so this would be a little bit of a moneymaker. Plus, we also have a $2 back on 2 Unilever body sprays rebate, so it'd be an even bigger moneymaker if you pair it with this next Dove deal that I'm going to show you guys. Make sure you guys have the fetch rebate app and you're snapping your receipts into the fetch rebate app, because you can always get bonus points on your couponing deals. I will have the fetch link to download the app in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. You guys do get like a $4 bonus if you sign up with that link. The Degree Women's Whole Body Deodorant is also on clearance, but at my store it was priced a little bit too high still to pick up. And then also the Dove Whole Body Deodorant for men's was marked as low as $10.06 at my store, and we do have a $5 digital coupon. So with that, you'd pay $5.06, and then you can submit to Fetch Rewards for $3.50 back, making one just $1.56. The Old Spice Total Body Deodorants are ringing up at $7.39 at my store for these 2 different scents. And we do have a 7 off 2 digital coupon that would make your final cost for 2 of them just $7.78. Some of the Axe body wash are on clearance, including the mango and the aqua scents. They're 50% off at $4.34, but just keep in mind that these are not attaching to the 5 off 2 digital coupon. Select of the Dove body scrubs are ringing up on clearance, and they are attaching to this 5 off 2 digital coupon as well. If your store still has the plant milk Dove bars in stock, those are 100% ringing up on clearance. At my store, they were just about 50% off, still at $3.44, but at your store, they could be cheaper. The One Plus Other body wash in this scent was just $2.30, but I have seen it cheaper at other stores. This Beauty 360 micellar water was just $4.67 on clearance, so I would watch out for this to be marked like 75 or 90% off. And then these wipes were just $3.47, down from $5.79. The Olay Total Effects Moisturizer is $18.29 on clearance at my store, and there's a $4 digital coupon in the CVS app, making it just $14.29. This Olay serum was 50% off for just $19.99. No coupons or rebates, but that's decent savings. This gray CVS Held electric toothbrush is on clearance for just $4.12, down from $16.49. The refills in the gray color are $1.95, down from $9.79. You can grab as many of these as you want for the main starter kit. The green one at my store was just $3.29, so even cheaper for the original razor. And then the green refills were also on clearance at my store for just $2.44. And you can use this 3 off 15 CRT too if you have it. The Axe body wash at my store is $6.29, buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck. So grabbing 2 would total $9.43, and we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So you'd be left to pay $4.43, and then you'd earn back that $3 extra buck, making 2 bottles just $1.43. The L'Oreal Elvive is on sale for $5.29 each this week, and buy 2, get back a $2 extra buck, and it does include the new Gloss shampoo and conditioner. So you can grab 2 totaling $10.58 and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $6.58, get back the $2 extra buck for buying 2, making 2 of these just $4.58. Again, this week we have the OGX buy one get one 40% off at $8.29 are the cheapest ones at my store. So grabbing 2 and using a 4 off 2 digital coupon, you'd be left to pay $9.26, and then you'll earn back a $4 extra buck on 2, making 2 bottles just $5.26. The Neutrogena acne products are spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab the cheapest item is the wipes at $10.19 and use a $3.50 off 1 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $6.69, earning back that $5 extra buck. Would make one of these just $1.69. Another skincare deal is on Clean and Clear. Spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck. So if your store participates in the 98% rule, you can grab the acne spot treatment at $9.99. Use a $2 digital coupon and you'd be left to pay $7.99. And then you'll earn back the $5 extra buck, making your final cost just $2.99. If you don't have a spend CRT and you want to do a deal with the Activate Rewards Visa gift card promo that's good through the 28th of February, you can grab 2 of the OGX, the pink grapefruit wipes, and the Clean and Clear. These 4 items would total $33.44. You can use the 4 off 2 for the OGX, the $3.50 off for the Neutrogena, and the $2 off for the Clean and Clear, and you'd be left to pay $23.94, and then you'd earn back a total of $14 in extra bucks. It would be 4 for the OGX and 5 for each of the Neutrogena and the Clean and Clear. And you can submit your receipt for a $10 Visa gift card rebate from activaterewards.com/New Year. I'll have a link in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. And that would make all 4 items completely free after coupons, extra buck, and the Visa gift card. The Palmer's foot scrubs and foot balms are $6.49, buy one get one 50% off, and buy 2 get back a $6 extra buck. So you can grab 2 totaling $9.73 and use a $1.50 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $8.23, and after the $6 extra buck back, it would make 2 of them just $2.23. Select cosmetics for eye products are spend 15, get back a $5 extra buck, including Maybelline. So you can grab one of these Great Lash mascaras at $8.59 and one of the twin brow pencils at $8.79, along with one of the 1+ other eyelash curlers that are priced around $5. The Maybelline products alone total $15.38, and we have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT, as well as a $3 Maybelline digital coupon, and we have a free 1+ other eyelash curler CRT that you're going to clip, and that will take off the full value of the eyelash curler as long as you're spending $15 before coupons on select eye products. So you'd be left to pay $9.38, and then you'd earn back your $5 extra buck, and you can submit to Ibotta for $3 back on the Maybelline mascara, and that would make your final cost just $1.38 for all 3 items. That's an amazing deal for getting an eyelash curler and a Great Lash mascara. I will have Ibotta linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. If you guys are not already signed up, you can get a $5 bonus when you sign up with my link. The 6 packs of Dove bar soap are on sale for $10.99 each this week, and they're buy 2 get back a $3 extra buck. So if you like these, you can grab 2 totaling $21.98 and use a 5 off 2 digital coupon, and you pay $16.98. Get back your $3 extra buck, making 2 of these $13.98 or $6.99 each. Nivea lotion is spend 20, get back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab 3 of the 8-ounce lotions at $6.79, totaling $20.37, and use a $2 digital coupon, and you'd be left to pay $18.37. Earning back the $10 extra buck would make all 3 lotions just $8.37. So a decent deal if you like Nivea lotion. Gain products are 2 for $15 this week for the bigger ones, so it includes the pods in the canister as well as the Gain liquid detergent, the bigger bottles, both 2 for $15. Also included are the beads. We have a $2 coupon 24 coupon for those, and the fabric softener, we have a $2 coupon 24 coupon for those as well, and the dryer sheets that we have a $2 digital coupon for. The cheapest way to do the deal is grabbing 1 Gain item. It could be any of the ones I just listed, and then 1 of the pods, totaling $15. You can use a $2 coupon 24 coupon for the liquid in my example, and a $3 coupon 24 coupon for the pods, and you'd be left to pay $10 for both items, which is a great deal. I actually saw Torok Coupon Hunter on short form post a breakdown about how that final cost is cheaper than the store brand at Costco, so a really good deal. You can swap the liquid for any other Gain item and use a $2 coupon 24 coupon that we have for each of those items. Really good deal on the CVS Health bandages. Buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. The cheapest ones at my store are these ones at $3.99. Now, if you do have the Care Pass, they will ring up for 20% off with the 20% off CVS Health brand items coupon that automatically applies. So with that, 2 of them would be $6.38. You'd earn back the $5 extra buck, making 2 of them $1.38. Otherwise, you can grab 2 totaling $7.98. You'd pay that, earn back your $5 extra buck, making 2 of them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. And if you didn't already use your $off 2 Kellogg's cereal digital coupon, you can grab 2 at $1.99 each again this week, totaling $3.98, and with the dollar off 2 would make 2 boxes just $2.98 or just $1.49 each. All right, you guys, so I did 2 transactions and both were clearance transactions today. So much clearance at CVS. Unfortunately, my store didn't have the paper products, but I was still happy with the non-paper product stuff that I got. So I did use my Coupon 24 coupons on this transaction. And what I would say is, if you can, try to separate out your Coupon 24 transactions from any CRT transactions. So I was trying to use my 3 off 15 CRT for the CVS toothbrushes, and I think the Coupon 24 kicked it off because first, all the digitals came off and the all the digitals came off and my 3 off 15 for the CVS Health toothbrushes came off. Then when I scanned my Coupon 24 barcode, it kicked off the extra buck and the CRT for the CVS toothbrushes. And then I had to reapply them on the coupon screen again. But then when I did that the second time after the Coupon 24 barcode, the 3 off 15 did not come off. Because I wanted to use my $20 extra buck to pay, and it was kind of a larger extra buck, I kept everything together because I needed to obviously hit $20 after coupons to use that. But if I wouldn't have needed to use that, I would have definitely separated out my CVS items. So the CVS 3 off 15 for toothbrushes is working on clearance items. It just acted a little bit funky with the Coupon 24. But in this transaction, I grabbed the Gillette Venus Intimate Shave Kit and the refills. 2 different of the toothbrushes, the green and the gray, and then 2 refills for each one. And then I grabbed the Degree whole body deodorant and the Dove whole body deodorant. My $5 and $3 for the whole body deodorants came off, and then my $3 for the Venus starter kit and the $4.62, which was the $5 off for the refills that adjusted down. I used my $20 extra buck, and then my subtotal was about $6 and some change. In total, I spent out about $27 between extra bucks and cash. And then I got back $9.45 from Fetch Rewards. It was 2 different offers, so it was $3.50 for each of the 2 whole body deodorants for the Degree and the Dove. And then also it was like 2,000 points back for buying 2 whole body or 2 dry spray deodorants from Unilever. So I hit 2 different offers. One 2 times for the $3.50 back on each, and then 1 for the 2,000 back on 2 Unilever dry sprays. And then I also got like a bonus point perk for being a pro member. Absolutely no idea what that means. Fetch has changed so much recently. It has like a bunch of different bonuses whenever you open the app. So if you're submitting regularly, if you're opening the app regularly, you might get some bonus points as well. So in total, spent out about $27 on this transaction, got back like around $9.50 from Fetch. So it made this transaction just like, what would that be? $17.50, I think, for everything. And that's really good considering the toothbrushes alone on clearance were about $16, $17. Then of course I had to do the Secret Clinical again because it's such a good deal. I've been doing it week after week after my store keeps putting out more of these clearance deodorants. So I grabbed 2 of those, used my 7F2 digital and a $3 extra buck I had on my account to pay. So in total, this transaction was a net cost of just $2.98 for these 2 Secret Clinicals. Definitely a great deal to pick up, especially because Secret Clinicals are so expensive. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS deals video. If you did, please leave this video a like and a comment to help push it out to more people who want to learn couponing at CVS. Check out the Shop LC, the jewelry store, in the description box down below. They have so many cute pieces and you can save 26% off with code SAVE26. Thank you guys so much if you support my sponsors, and I will catch you guys in next week's deals video for a brand new ad for the Epic Beauty event, which we will be getting a 10 off 30 beauty CVS CRT for.